Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to change the blade on a Woodland Mills HM30 sawmill, and the concept is the same for any sawmill, so you can apply it and hopefully not make some of the mistakes I made. First, you loosen up the blade tightener, which is over here. Each saw will have that. Loosen that up. Then there are some securing toggles there. Open it up. Open it up all the way there. And I already cleaned most of the sawdust out. You do want to get the sawdust out for the simple fact if you get it on these bands, it will slip or pop off the bands. So make sure you get all the sawdust out you can. In a perfect situation, you have an air compressor and you'd spray it out. But it should come out nicely. You see these guides, pop it off the guides. Be careful when you do this too, because these are still pretty sharp even if they're used. I always put them the teeth down. Grab your new one. And again, I make sure I get it wheels first, put in those guides. And it's always a little bit more challenging when the camera's on. So I want to make sure the back of it's lined up, the back of the wheel. Again, each saw will be different, but that's true with these Woodland Mills. And I would say this is a good all-round mill, good value. The next one I buy is going to be a little bit bigger, but so again, make sure that the back of the saw blade is flush with the wheel. Make sure it's in these two guides. Get a torque wrench, which I have here, set to 25 pounds. Do it by hand for a little bit. I'll take the torque wrench. That pop, it means I hit my 25 pounds torque. And then I like to use the wheel and spin it for a while, see where it's tracking. And all the adjustments are in the back, whether it's tracking, you want it to track to the front, to the back. So it looks pretty good. Staying where it's supposed to stay. Okay, and that's a quick lesson on how to change the saw blade on a Woodland Mills or pretty much any sawmill. Thanks for watching.